So today, senior Democrats are expected to unveil legislation that provides $3,000 per child to American families, aimed at making a major dent in child poverty as part of a $1.9 trillion economic relief package. Joining us now, Democratic Congresswoman Lauren Underwood of Illinois. She's also a registered nurse. Let's start with the COVID relief bill. First of all, pertaining to your constituents, how they are holding up against the virus, and is there room for any debate within this bill?
Well, good morning, Mika. You know, what we've seen here in Illinois is rising number of cases. Obviously, in the last few weeks, they've decreased, the number of deaths have decreased, and that's a welcome change. But we know that we are not on a path towards economic recovery unless we crush this virus. So that is the priority in this COVID package. But I welcome the news of this type of family-related stimulus. We know that our families need economic relief. When we look at the toll that the COVID virus has taken on our local economies, we know that so many families have been struggling to make ends meet, to pay their bills, and to, recover. And so I think that this is a welcome.
Congresswoman Underwood, Al Sharpton, you represent a district that clearly you are a rising star nationally, well, a risen star nationally, but clearly you have had a heart for the district. And we've seen a disproportionate impact on people of color in this pandemic. How important is this relief bill, particularly to people that you represent in Congress and people that have been not only hit, but hit the hardest during this pandemic?
Well, the data is very clear that Black and brown communities have been disproportionately impacted. We're more likely to be essential workers, frontline workers, and as a result, more likely to be diagnosed with COVID-19 and more likely to die. And so in this relief package, we will be able to get advancements in data disaggregation. Only half of states are publicly reporting their COVID diagnoses and death data, and certainly not stratifying by race and ethnicity. This is an important step forward. Also, pregnancy status, right? An important step forward. That will be in the package. I'm also very pleased to hear about the Biden administration's plans for vaccine distribution targeting those communities that have been most directly impacted. We need to be flooding the zone in these communities. And so when we hear them talk about equity, that's what this means, making sure that the people who are experiencing the disproportionate impacts of COVID-19 are able to get access to this vaccine.
Hey, thanks so much for watching our YouTube channel. You can follow up on today's top stories and breaking news or catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.